Hey guys, it's Hugh from Twisted. So today I'm going to be cooking for you a delicious festive French toast, croque monsieur. So this vid is produced with Fetch Rewards. Fetch is a super simple way of saving money and earning rewards just from shopping. Download the Fetch app, type in the code TWISTED and you'll be earning 4,000 points when you scan in your first receipt. Let's crack on and start cooking. So I'm going to start with a simple bechamel, that's butter and flour cooked to a nice biscuity paste. So I'm going to add the milk incrementally until you have a smooth, creamy, delicious sauce. And then I'm going to pop just a little bit of Dijon mustard in, stir that in with some salt and pepper, and bam, you have got your bechamel. Cool, so I'm going to set that aside, and then when it's cooled down a bit, on top of some gorgeous brioche. On top of this, I'm going to put some ham. This is a gorgeous ham that I made the day before, all shredded up. Some red cabbage, lovely, and a little bit of caramelised onion chutney going down there with some Swiss cheese. Lovely stuff. By the way, any receipt is going to work. All you have to do is scan it in and you're automatically going to be earning points towards gift cards. Cool. So here are some eggs, some milk and some cream. This is the French toast mix, so I'm going to beat that until it's nice and combined. Then I'm going to dip my sandwich. Make sure you get both sides. Don't dip it in too long because it will disintegrate. And now it's frying time. So I'm using a mix of butter and oil. This stops the butter from burning, I'm sure most of you will know. So, you know, both sides, fry it for about 2 minutes and your delicious sandwich is done. Also, if you're stuck at home or you just like online shopping, you can use your e-receipts to scan in as well. So you can get points even without having a paper receipt. And you can use these from stuff like your takeout receipts, even your Amazon orders to get more points, which is pretty rad. Beautiful, you know, sit back, get out an eggnog and enjoy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been Twisted with Fetch Rewards. Happy holidays, happy cooking. Don't forget to scan those receipts from your shopping. And yeah, have a wonderful season. See you next time.